Most people think that building a website for their furniture assembly business is going to be expensive and it's going to be complicated as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that 7-day free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, furniture assembly or assembler. Let's go ahead and check it out. Furniture assembly, there it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start a few basic details about our business name, and our city and our state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that one off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all these services and you want to change it up a bit. You can absolutely do so. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and click on the first section. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address because I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call, and physical location address, you can put one in there. But if you're a mobile business and you travel to your customers' houses, you can leave that off. If you put the address, and your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette available for you to choose. There's so many options to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized, all you need to do is click on that update section button. Under update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's thousands of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those images if you have a business profile. Under update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file for your customers to click on. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you with their questions and queries. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain, we recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your furniture assembly business, and I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.